Okay, I drained some oil out. As you can see, I got it to the high mark now. Wasn't that much. I got an air filter on it. So, I'm not ready to work on it yet, but this tire's low. I don't want to go put some air in it before it gets flat. So, sorry for the shaky cam. But you can experience what I'm talking about when I try to start this thing. Push the clutch in. Now, some in the wiring, obviously the glow plugs don't work because you turn it, nothing. This way, yeah, but you have to put the throttle pretty much all the way forward. Come on, baby. I need to find my thermometer because I'm wondering if this thing's just running on one cylinder. First gear, super crawler. See, it smooths out. That sounds like two cylinders. I wonder if one of them's got low compression and down low it doesn't fire. Let's see, let me back it down. See if you can hear it drop out. Right there, here. Well, this ain't too bad of a mowing speed. Yeehaw. A little coal roller, I'll tell you that. Makes me want to focus on the injection fire all the time. Find my thermostat. if we got a dead hole. Okay, it's let me back up here. It's completely it's later in the year. The last time I did this video, it was like 105. Now it's like 55. Holy moly! Anyway, I'm going to show y'all what I already know. That back cylinder's dead. Absolutely no change. I've already got these loosened a little bit, so hopefully I can do this without killing it. See that? So this one's doing all the work, this one ain't doing a damn thing. So let me get this moved and we'll talk. Okay, so first off, we know this cylinder is firing and this cylinder is not. I can pull this nut and there's fuel coming out of here, but it's still not doing anything. I start cracking this nut, it'll kill the engine. So my hope is that it's an injector. So first thing I want to try to do is put this injector over here and see if the problem follows the injector. So if I swap them, then hopefully this cylinder quits working and this one starts working. That'll tell me the only thing I've changed is the injector. So if the injector's bad, I can just order a new one. They're like 50 bucks on some on eBay or something. So that's what I'm going to start doing. Okay, so I'm sitting here starting to pull these off. Now, this goes to that cylinder, I think. Yeah, so this is what's firing the cylinder that ain't working. So I've got these two pulled off, right? And so I've got to pull. You don't bend these lines, you take it apart. So I was getting ready to loosen this one, and I bumped this, and well, look at this. You see how it's loose in there? So this little blue thing right here is not, this other one's rock steady, and this one is, I don't know if you can see that, that's showing up on camera. It's loose, and so I don't. Problem is, it's all dirty up here, but it doesn't look like you can see fuel leaking, but maybe I wouldn't even notice it. I don't know. I'm going to put these back together and I'm going to tighten that and see what happens. You can kiss my you-know-what. This thing's been running on one cylinder forever, and this frickin' little fitting was loose. You can see I bled these. I'm just sitting here holding the clutch in to start it. If y'all have seen those, when you see this video, you'll see what an absolute train wreck it was to get this thing to start. My God. Don't you love it when a fix is nothing more than taking a damn wrench and tightening something? I cannot believe this crap. Dude, been driving it without a frickin' air filter and ether starting it for like 5 years. She's running now. I'm gonna take it for a ride. Let's see, this thing's dead cold. Watch this. Put my foot on it. No glow plug. Come on. Hang on. Look at that, chugging along in third gear.
Oh, and she just purrs like a kitten now. Oh my God, this thing's awesome. Now I won't feel bad about spending some money on it. It needs a front tire, 2 of them. Then we kind of take it apart and paint it. I'm excited. Oh man, just a loose nut. Frickin' injector line. Alright, see a little bit. I'm going to ride around and enjoy this. Okay, there is the tractor in the garage. These videos so far were just shot with my phone on the fly. From here on out, I'm going to try to plan ahead and have a tripod and actually plan on shooting a video, so the quality should be a lot better. Really all this thing needs is got to replace a tire. I just got belts for the PTO. I've got the deck for it. I need to get the deck mounted and then just see what, if anything, doesn't work. I think everything's there. I've got all the pieces. You can see I've been using it around the property. I just want to get everything working. The steering is a little janky. I think the sector gear needs to be replaced. The parking brake doesn't seem to work, but I think everything just needs some attention. Taken apart, cleaned, oiled, that kind of stuff. And then I'm going to pull the hood, the grill, the seat, everything off, paint it, put it back together. I think Messick's, I can still get the decals. If not, I've got a friend that makes that kind of stuff, and I think she could do them for me. So that's where we're going to go from here. I don't know when the next videos will be, but hopefully pretty soon. I've got so many things going on, little projects around here, but this is one I really want to get going because it'd be nice to have a spare mower. So thanks for watching up to now, and hope to get more stuff for you put out soon. Thanks.